Okay, I just listened to the Ezra Klein interview with Jonathan Haidt, and I would like to talk about it.
I would like to talk about it too, because I feel like maybe we didn't even read the same book. My name is Billy Tarasio. I'm an Arizona family law attorney and a mom, and I read The Anxious Generation and went to my kids' school, and we formed different parent groups that are doing a book club on this book and exploring it. And so your video definitely struck a chord. Your argument is that Jonathan Haidt is right wing and didn't do his critique correctly because he should have critiqued capitalism and he should have called for federal government to make change, and that he said right-wing parents do a better job of morality. That's just not what I read. I read regulation is slow and parents cannot wait. So while we should push for corporations to be held responsible, and while we should push for governments to regulate social media, we also need to do something right now. I read that we as a society, as we become less religious, have stopped experiencing community and spiritual fulfillment and growth. I read that when we take religion out, there's a loss that goes far beyond the loss of whether or not you believe in the Bible or a specific religion. There is other loss. The biggest problem that I have with this take is there's objective truth in this book. It's a researched back book about correlating trends and data from what has happened. And we can be finding value in that and thinking differently about how we raise our kids and how we regulate the use of screen time in our house. Or we can use this as yet another reason to fight with each other about right and left and who's right or wrong. Like, to me, your video just causes division where there is simply no need for division. I am in a very, very conservative place, and I am not very, very conservative. And yet, my entire kids' school has different parent groups, 5 different parent groups, meeting and talking about these issues, because what we care about is outcomes of kids. And so it really bothers me that you are making this a divisive issue.